isa ring gusto kong pagtuunan ng pansin, di ba, Christian? Ano nga ba yung what's next for us as a country? What's next for us as for the victims, no? Ito yung sinasabi natin, lagi may tinatawag in international law. Pag isang society naka-experience ng mass atrocity, it will never be the same. The trauma is there, the division is there, the hatred is there, and we're still having that at this point in time. Grabe yung division, grabe yung hatred. Diba? Grabe yung sakit na dinanas ng mga pamilya nung nawalan ng mahal sa buhay. That's why in international law, there is what we call a transitional justice mechanism. Yeah. Ang assumption is, pagka ang isang society ay malala ang pinagdaanan, na grabe, pinakamalala ang krimen, kailangan mag-create ng transitional justice mechanism. And there are 3 things na kailangan natin pag-usapan dyan. Unang-una, paano natin aalalayan yung mga biktima at ang kanilang pamilya? Kahit na anong sabihin nila, kahit na nag-a-agree kayo kay President Duterte, you cannot deny the fact that there were victims of the bloody regime. Ano ang kailangan? Paano natin sila tutulungan? Paano makaka-recover yung pamilya? I think there has to be truth-telling. There has to be a recognition that they were wronged by the government and by us as one society, and they will have to be compensated, and their experience must be codified. That's first. The second one is, of course, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng consensus as a people. Magkaroon dapat tayo ng discussion, di ba? Kasi after the truth-telling, kailangan mo magkaroon ng reconciliation eh. Kahit anong mangyari, yung mga DDS, mga Marcoses, we will still live with them in our society. So dapat yan, may attempt to reconcile, to discuss how can we move forward as one nation so that this thing will no longer happen again. And the third one is, I think one of the most important, is yung memorialization. Na kinakailangan, meron tayong deliberate effort to make sure that this dark period in our chapter will be memorialized. Maalala natin yan. May mga rebulto, may mga Holocaust museums, di ba? Yung mga nangyari, may mga memorial day. Dapat may pasok ito sa educational system natin na ang sasabihin natin as one society, we will commit that it will never happen again. No? So yung transitional justice mechanism na yan, hindi pa yan available ngayon. At nalulungkot ako na hindi man lang napag-uusapan. Kasi ang sinasabi nila, mag-file daw yung mga pamilya ng cases sa Pilipinas, no? Ang problema dyan is our ordinary criminal justice system is not capable to deal with crimes against humanity of this gradient kasi nga kasama yung Estado. Ibig sabihin, wala na masyado yung mga ebidensya. Kaya kami po sa human rights community, at intindihin nyo po, mahirap po na mag-file kasi hindi namin makuha yung police report, hindi namin makuha yung witness namin hindi darating kasi tinakot o binigyan na lang ng pera or inareglo na, no? So mahirap i-prove yung guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Doon sa truth-telling mechanism, pag bibigyan sila ng some sort of compensation, binababa po ang evidence required doon. Magiging substantial evidence na lang na they were wronged, na indeed kailangan sila bigyan ng compensation, and then that there's some sort of justice, di ba? In transitional justice mechanism, wala pong perfecto justice, but at least we get closer there. There is a recognition, by hearing, you allow them to tell their story, and there is some sort of compensation. I think the discussion right now as one society is, saan na po ba tayo papunta pagkatapos nito? And wag natin kakalimutan, may mga biktima. Wag natin kakalimutan, lahat po tayo sugatan. Kahit po kami, kahit po kayo, sugatan. Iba-iba po tayo ng sinuportahan. Pero importante, meron tayong attempt to come up with a consensus na sana hindi na ulit ito mangyari. Even that attempt alone is beautiful, di ba? Yung proseso na yon na mag-uusap ulit tayo dahil kailangan naman natin na mag-live with each other, whatever happens, di ba? Tayo pa rin yung magkakasama doon sa iisang Pilipinas na dinidream natin.
Alam mo, ang ganda na binanggit mo yan, Attorney Dino, no? Yung transitional justice, because a lot of our fellow Filipinos are not too familiar with that. And isa yan sa mga pagkukulang natin after the Marcos dictatorship. Yan ay bahagi rin ng peace process dito sa Bangsamoro, na sana dumating tayo sa punto na yon. At maganda na sana mangyari yan dito sa konteksto ng drug war. No? Ang ganda na, bahala ko sanang tapusin dyan dahil ang ganda-ganda ng pagkaka-characterize mo. No? Magkakaroon ng healing pagkatapos yan.